Are you using Windows or other system? Okay, fine. Then can we move to the next part? Prabhajan, you are saying you are using Windows. So no, not at all, man. So which Windows you are using? It's Windows 11 or Windows 10? Okay. So people who are from yesterday's class, any one of you who is using Windows 10, can you share your screen and help Prabhajan to switch on that extension? Any one of you? Can you create a new file and show him how to rename that file name to index.html and all?
Let me show.
Okay, Rajeshwari, you can share your screen. And Prabhajan, try to take the steps keenly so that we can move to the next topic in faster. Okay. Fine.
Sir, I'm visible.
Yeah, your screen is visible.
Just I create a new folder. Create a new document in the text document. Change the name index HTML.
So, Rajeshwari, just a minute. Don't change it. That screen, okay? And then if you're not getting something like index.html or something like new text document.txt, you can just put that a message so that we can show that step. Prabhajan, are you there? Okay, I think you can manage it seems, Rajeshwari. Thanks for sharing your screen. Stop sharing your screen and we can move your mic.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, Prabhajan, you can share your screen. We'll try to navigate it. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So there is some issue because don't change the screen. Don't change the screen. Okay. So what is the issue here is that once you change your file as index.html, still the logo is not something as the HTML file, right? So what you have to do is that there is an option called as view near to that share option, right? That's something called as file, home, share, and view. Can you open that? Can you go and click that view? Above that. Yeah. Once you click that, come to the right side of the option. There is something called as file name extensions. Just tick that checkbox. Yeah. Now you can see something called as index.html.txt, right? Rename that complete name, just select everything and rename it as index.html. Yeah, select everything. Or just remove the .txt. .html. Once you click, you'll ask something to change, yes or no. Click yes. Yeah. Now you can go and see in your VS Code. It will be something as there will be some icon different. You can close this one. You can close this one. Yeah, and you can click that index.html. That is in left side. Yeah, you can click that index.html, which is in the left navbar. Yeah, you can type here. That's all. I hope everyone have solved the issue. So I will share my screen now. I will try to fix it. Okay. So yeah. Can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So everyone have landed yourselves into the index.html. So let us try to create the HTML file. Okay. So in order to create a HTML file, we have to use a keyword called as HTML. That is, yesterday I've mentioned something, right? The HTML consists of tags, and the tags are enclosed inside an angle brackets, right? So we have to create something, that is, we have to create a structure so that the HTML can be defined. So what you have to do is that you have to give an angle brackets, you have to write HTML, and once you close the angle brackets, it will automatically come something like this. Okay. So once you guys get something like this, just give yes sir, I've got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So anyone who are raising your hand or reacting to that, guys, just please switch on your mic and you can speak, because I'm in different screen. Sorry to say this, I can't see you there, right? So for that I'm saying.
Okay.
Joel sir,
Yeah.
actually sir, I'm not getting the files sir on that application.
One sec. So you are. What is the issue, Prashant?
Sir, actually the file I had already saved, but that application it's not showing sir.
So you mean once you open the particular folder, you didn't see your index.html, right?
Yes sir.
Okay, then no problem. Then do one thing. The people who are not seeing anything here, just empty folder, just there is an option called as this one here. Okay, new to your file name. You will be having something called as new file. Click this. You will get an empty input tag here. Okay. Just write some name called as index.html and click enter. You will create an index.html file. Okay.
Sir, can you say again?
Okay sir.
Yeah. Okay. So the people who are not having anything, something, let me create something for it. You are not having anything index.html here or empty tag here. Just go to this option, that is new file. Click this and type something as index.html. Sorry. And click enter. That's all. So any issues?
No, sir.
Prashant,
Sir,
you are getting your code.
Yeah sir, I am doing that only.
Yeah, okay. So Altaf, you are getting any issues?
yes, sir. Sir, I will share the screen, please.
Yeah, okay, sure. Can share your screen.
Sir, actually, I logged in mobile.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm not seeing any text, okay, any file. Just go to this top left. Once you open your folder, okay, you have to first open your folder. Then what you have to do is that you have to just go and click that